And welcome back, everybody. Alright, so this video is basically an introduction to the virtual Math 1 classroom. So it is specific for Math 1. Okay, and I got a list of things here I want to go over with you, and I'll try to keep this short. The first thing is I really think it's important that you watch all of the videos. So I'm going to have these videos you'll see in a minute in the assignment column in our agenda in Canvas. Do not skip them. They're going to be short and they'll be essential to navigating and getting through this course for as long as we have to do it this way. Okay, okay, so I'm going to switch you over and show you some things in Canvas here. And all right, so one thing that's going to be very, very important that you do, since we're going to be working in a virtual classroom and through Canvas, is you need to make sure your notifications are turned on in Canvas. Okay, so I'll be communicating with you through notifications or through announcements, and if your notifications aren't on, you won't get them. So I'm hoping that you'll get these in email and things like that. Okay, now let me cover the things here in course announcements with you for just a minute. All right, I'm going to skip this virtual math classroom thing for just a second and just go down these bullets. The first thing on the list here is we're going to have live conference hours from 1 to 1:30, Monday through Thursday. This is for Math 1. It will be done through Zoom. You'll get an announcement in Canvas to join this conference. All you have to do is follow the URL, click on it, and you'll be included in a video conference with all the other Math 1 students. I said 1 to 1:30. If you personally reach out to me and we need a different meeting time or something like that, we'll work that out on an individual basis, but we'll all meet at 1 to 1:30. Okay, now that will be optional. All right, the second bullet right here is about tech support. All right, tech support is if something's going wrong with your computer. I'm not the one that can help you with that. If you call this number here, it goes to the school. And I think Miss Nika will be able to assist you with your computer problems. Okay, third bullet, and this is going through course announcements, of course. If you need lunch, go to your nearest elementary bus stop between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. Okay, apparently Craven County Schools will be delivering lunches to those bus stops. But let me be clear, you don't have to order it either. And don't use the lunch order feature that's in our agenda or in our homepage here, because it doesn't order your lunch. The lunches are free. Go get one. I don't know where your individual elementary bus stops are, so you'll have to investigate that on your own. Okay? All right. All right, another problem that I've thought about and that we're going to end up with here is that we don't all have TI84 calculators. And luckily, Mr. Ruman has found a workaround for that for us, and it's right here. Now, if you have one, great, and obviously that's going to be a big bonus for you. But if you don't, one way around this is you can go to if you have an Android phone, you can go to the Play Store and download an app called Wabbit Emo. That's with a W. WABBIT EMU, and it gives you a free TI84 calculator app for your phone, but it doesn't work for iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, you're going to probably have to follow this link right here. Okay, so if you'll follow this link, and I'll show you how this works. And I downloaded it myself, and I'll show you that in just a second here. If you have Windows, you'll follow this link right here. It's going to give you a free 90-day trial of a TI84 calculator emulator you're going to put on your computer. And I've downloaded it on this computer. It works great. And it, like I said, is free for 90 days, but that's all you're going to need it. So after 90 days and it runs out of time, so what? You know, hopefully we'll all be through this way before 90 days. The course will be over before 90 days anyway, so you won't have to pay a dime for that. And let me show you how it looks just real quick, because I know I don't want to keep this video too long. I've already downloaded it myself, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so it does perform everything we need to do. It might be a little goofy for you at first, but as you play around with it and get used to it, it works just like our other calculators. And it graphs, it does everything we've been doing. I may or may not use this myself during these videos. For time's sake, I may just use the other calculator. But anyway, we'll just see how this goes. Okay. All right. So back to the agenda. Let's see, or the home page. All right. So let me make sure I'm covering everything I wanted to talk about here. Okay. Let's do this. Now I'm going to go through this thing. Here's what you're going to want to do Monday. Well, and I guess if you're watching this video, it is Monday. So you're going to follow Begin Virtual Math Classroom link. And basically, to tell you the truth, all that does is take you to Module 7, Structures of Quadratics page. And I'm going to try to keep this a lot like what we're used to doing. There's not going to be a huge difference in the way we do things here. Okay, so for Monday, the assignment will be simply watch Introduction to Mr. Ellis's virtual classroom. That's what you're watching right now. And it'll be a link right here to the video. All right. You'll watch a video called Quick Review of Factoring. I'll link these up. When you get there, this little video here is just to kind of get you oriented. No. Okay, so as I put assignments in here, they're going to be due 12 o'clock Friday. Friday is a teacher work day every week now. We're not going to be, I guess you won't be in the virtual class, but the things need to be done, so that's when I'm going to put grades in. And anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. And again, I hope everybody's doing well. And I will see you guys in the quick review of factoring video in just a few minutes.